Hello, 952. My name's Kanji Coder. We're making a goddamn game engine for a Bomberman MMO. You're on the fast code review right here. Let's fucking go. Source code is here. Okay, right here in the bomb area function section within emit from center a laser blast, we made a mistake in this function. So way down here inside of blast the fuck away, this needs to be a break, not a continue. We fixed it. Okay, so down here in unit test main emit from center a box blast, we've finished this function. So let's go into here. We have our variables. We're going to carry these over here to make them shorter. This is the top left of our explosion, the magnitude of our explosion, and the offset when we're iterating through the tiles for the explosion tiles. Okay, so calculate the blast rectangle. So we're going to get the top left X and Y of our explosion by taking the origin of the bomb and subtracting the left and top arm magnitudes using the current bomb enumeration. The width and height of the explosion is the left and right arms of the explosion plus 1, and the top and bottom arms of the explosion plus 1 for the current bomb value. Then we're going to air check and make sure that our calculated width and height is equal to the value in these lookup tables. Otherwise, we're going to throw an error. Okay, so we're going to loop through every single tile in our explosion rectangle in scanline order. So the X is going to be beneath the Y. So go to the next scan line, every single tile. Next scan line, every single tile, right? Okay, so down here, we're going to add the top left origin on the X and add the offset X, right? We're going to add the top left origin on the Y and add the offset Y, right? TLX, add OX, TLX, add OY, right? Once we have this, if this tile coordinate is at the center point of the blast where the bomb actually is, then we're going to skip this because I have my fucking reasons. You'll have to look at the longer playlist for why we're doing this, okay? But we're skipping it, okay? Otherwise, we're going to use our mini put helper to put a blast tile into our unit test main tile map at the address TLX with the offset, TLY with the offset, right? And then we're fucking done, right? Okay, so up here, if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go to this playlist and go find the exact same video number, 952. We don't have any fucking time here, okay? Tech demos are here. My Twitch channel is here if you want a 1 hour long tech demo. Code is here, source code. The license is do whatever the fuck you want. And my name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.